An Excel dashboard is a useful tool for office work because it organizes important data in one place, making it easy to track key information. Instead of manually collecting and analyzing data, the dashboard automatically pulls data from different sources and updates charts, graphs, and tables in real time. This makes it simple to spot trends, measure performance, and identify any issues that need attention. By providing a clear, visual overview of data, Excel dashboards help people make quicker, more informed decisions. It also improves teamwork, as everyone has access to the same data and insights, helping keep everyone on the same page. Ultimately, Excel dashboards save time, reduce mistakes, and make office work more productive and efficient. Basic Accounting Book provides foundational knowledge on financial statements, bookkeeping, and accounting principles. It helps you understand concepts like assets, liabilities, revenues, expenses, and equity. With simple explanations and examples, it builds the skills needed for managing finances or pursuing advanced accounting. A profit and loss (P&L) dashboard visually displays a company's financial data, highlighting revenue, expenses, and net profit. It helps monitor profitability, identify financial trends, and track performance over time, allowing businesses to make informed decisions quickly and improve overall financial management. This dashboard is very beneficial for real-life use. A balance sheet dashboard visually presents a company's assets, liabilities, and equity. It helps accountants and managers track financial health, assess liquidity, and monitor solvency. By summarizing key figures in a clear format, it supports better financial decision-making and ensures accurate reporting of a company's financial position. This dashboard is very beneficial for accountants. An Indian financial statement dashboard shows important financial details for companies in India. It includes balance sheets, profit and loss statements, and cash flow reports, all according to Indian rules. This tool helps accountants and managers see how the company is doing, stay compliant with regulations, and make better decisions by putting all the key financial information in one place. An accounting cash book and petty cash dashboard tracks and manages cash transactions and small expenses. It provides a clear overview of cash inflows, outflows, and balances, helping accountants monitor daily cash activity and ensure accuracy in recording both major and minor financial transactions. An actual and estimated budget dashboard compares real financial performance with planned budgets. It shows discrepancies between actual expenses and revenue versus estimates, helping accountants track deviations, analyze spending patterns, and adjust forecasts. This tool supports better financial planning and decision-making by providing insights into budget adherence. An accounts payable and receivable dashboard tracks outstanding bills and incoming payments, helping businesses manage cash flow efficiently. It visualizes key metrics like overdue invoices, payment statuses, and aging summaries for both payables and receivables. This dashboard ensures timely payments, reduces the risk of cash shortages, and improves collection efforts. By centralizing this data, it helps accountants monitor financial obligations, maintain healthy relationships with vendors and customers, and optimize working capital. A statutory audit dashboard provides an overview of financial compliance, ensuring adherence to legal standards through external audits. It tracks key audit areas and findings. An internal audit dashboard, on the other hand, focuses on internal controls, risk management, and operational efficiency. It highlights potential risks, compliance gaps, and performance metrics. Both dashboards assist accountants in maintaining accuracy, mitigating risks, and ensuring transparent and compliant financial reporting within the organization. An accounting schedule dashboard helps track and manage deadlines for key accounting tasks such as financial reporting, audits, tax filings, and payroll. It provides a clear visual timeline of upcoming tasks and due dates, ensuring nothing is missed. By automating reminders and organizing schedules in one place, it enhances efficiency, reduces errors, and allows accountants to stay on top of their responsibilities, leading to timely and accurate financial reporting. An accounting tracker dashboard consolidates and visualizes key financial data such as transactions, expenses, revenue, and account balances in real time. It helps accountants and managers monitor day-to-day financial activities, track performance against budgets, and ensure accuracy in bookkeeping. The dashboard simplifies the identification of discrepancies, streamlines reporting, and supports efficient financial management, providing a clear snapshot of a company's financial health at any given time. An accounting invoice and purchase order dashboard helps manage and track invoices and purchase orders effectively. It provides a clear view of sent and received invoices, showing which payments are due and any pending approvals. The dashboard also monitors purchase orders to ensure they match the invoices. This simplifies tracking, reduces errors, and helps ensure timely payments. By keeping all this information in one place, it makes it easier for accountants to manage finances, avoid discrepancies, and streamline the buying and payment process. An accounting calendar and to-do list dashboard helps keep track of important accounting dates and tasks. It displays deadlines for reports, tax filings, and other critical dates, along with a checklist for daily or weekly tasks. This tool ensures that accountants don't miss any important deadlines and stay on top of their responsibilities. By organizing and reminding of upcoming tasks, it promotes better time management and efficiency, helping accountants complete their work on time and maintain smooth financial operations. The TDS and Income Tax Dashboard helps accountants track and manage tax deductions and liabilities. It monitors tax deducted at source, TDS, and income tax payments, ensuring compliance with tax regulations. By consolidating tax data, the dashboard simplifies reporting, identifies discrepancies, and ensures timely submissions, helping accountants stay organized and avoid errors in tax filings. The Minutes and Forecasting Dashboard helps in accounting by tracking meeting notes and financial forecasts. It records key decisions and action items from meetings and visualizes future financial projections. This dashboard ensures that strategic decisions are documented and aligns financial planning with company goals, helping accountants manage current operations and prepare for future financial scenarios. An accounting PPT helps by visually organizing important accounting concepts and data in a clear, easy to understand format. It covers areas like financial statements, tax filings, budgeting, and cash flow management. The slides can include charts, graphs, and summaries to explain key figures, making it easier for accountants or managers to track finances, stay compliant, and make informed decisions. This tool simplifies complex accounting information, improving understanding and communication.